back to my channel. My name is Martha. In case you're new to my channel, welcome. So this is a beauty and lifestyle channel. I am a mom of two beautiful children. One is 3 years and a half, and my last born let me say my last born. My last born is 5 months and 3 weeks old. So yeah, you know that at around this time is when you start winning a baby, especially, I don't know about you guys, but I tend to feel like baby boys, well, they are ready to get weaned a bit more faster than baby girls. I have experience with both of them, and I definitely think that boys tend to like be ready to be weaned earlier than girls. Do you think that is the case, guys? Do you feel the same? And I know I have very many mom followers here on this channel, and I appreciate you guys so much. So I like that a lot because I get to share my experiences with you guys, and also we catch up a lot on my Instagram, which is amazing. So today's video is an unboxing. I know also several moms are in my stage, like around the time where we are ready to wean our babies. So I decided to make my work easier and buy a baby food maker, you know, to just make my life easier. Right now with the lockdown, I have both kids at home all the time, and like it's crazy. Okay, so anything to make my life easier. Okay, this is the gadget that we got for our son to be making food with. Guys, I have tried to give him like porridge. Yeah, you know this baby porridge that you can like buy and mix yourself using milk. I have tried to give him that, and he does not like it at all. What I have seen him enjoy more is when I steam some veggies, and then I give him like in his hand, and he can like chew on it. Especially now that he's starting to teeth, that is really helping him a lot. Like to help him scratch that spot. I think it's a bit itchy and uncomfortable, so that helps him as well, and he's very calm when he's eating that. Apparently you can make different kinds of texture of foods with this. Let's just open it and see. So guys, this is how it comes. This is the packaging. I think we all, if you're a mom, you know how Philips Avent anything looks like. Like you see this purple packaging, even if it's like from miles away, you definitely know that that's Philips Avent. That is their like packaging. That purple packaging is typical for them. So when you open right here, you can, like, this is kind of like the instructions of how to go about it. This is a sign for steaming, this is a sign for blending, and this one here is for defrosting. Actually, that's like everything you need, honestly. Okay. Oh my gosh, they have a recipe booklet. It's the 4-in-1 healthy baby food maker recipe booklet. Oh, I'm so grateful for this. Quick and easy nutritious recipes for your baby. Wow, I love this. Fast taste. These are like purees, saucy apples, bananas, avocado, sunshine squash. Stage 2 of weaning, I guess. Soft chews. I think this is where my son is going to have his most fun. He loves to chew those veggies when I steam them, grill them. And stage 3 is chunkier chews. Chickpeas all noodled up, cotton potato patty, my fast muesli. And then stage 4 is from 1 year onwards. The sweet side of pepper, happy broccoli ever after, sunny asparagus. Oh, this is good. This is so good with pictures inside. This is good. This is gonna be really helpful. Yes. I didn't know they have the recipe booklet inside, so I'm really happy about that, honestly. I'm never going to run out of ideas. Okay, cool. So there we go. Then this is this looks like a guide on how to wash it, I think. Yeah, it's a guide on how to wash it. Next, you take this out, and there we have the jar. Okay. This is a user manual right here, and the gadget itself, and that is it. Nothing else inside. Effortless nutritious baby meals. Steam, blend, defrost, and reheat. Okay, with the flip of a jar. This is how it looks like. Very sleek, very simple style. Oh, okay. So opening, I had to figure that out myself just now. So opening is pushing this button like that, yeah, to the right, and it goes off. You can open like that. So this is the blender. You can see how sharp those knives look. So I just fixed it in there and turned, and this way it's now firmly inside. It's a bit complicated, to be honest. Okay, the pictures are not so clear to me. I think they could make it a little bit more easier to understand. But what I understand is this is where you pour in your water when you're trying to make your meals. When you're trying to make your meals, this is where you place your water. Remember, you're not cooking this food, you're steaming it, which is actually a healthier way to prepare baby food. So this is where you pour in your water, depending on how long you need to cook or to steam your food. It's a maximum of 30 minutes and a minimum of 10 to 15 minutes, and it tells you how many milliliters of water you need to pour in, as in, yeah, it shows you that. And that is the lid for that, this one here. Okay, so after you pour in your water, you lock it like that, and then so this is where you actually, so you open here, place, you put in your food. If the blade was outside, put the blade back in like so. Then you put your food, and it tells you right here, it shows you the maximum, yeah, the maximum of food you should put in there. After that, you close it up, of course. Close that up, and then to steam, you just wait. So to steam, you just place it like that, and right here is where you can choose whether you want to steam it for 15 minutes or 20 or 25. Or wait, this is steaming, this one is reheating, and this one is defreezing. All right, so it tells you right here, so you can choose whichever setting you need. So either to warm, steam, steam, warm, or defreeze right there. This one here, this button here is for blending. So after it has finished steaming, so remember you are steaming your food this way, then after it's done, maybe say 15 to 20 minutes, then you remove it and you flip it. So now you have your blade down here, you flip it, put it on, and make sure you twist it so that it's in place, like it has to be in place like that. Okay, when you're steaming, it does not have to close like that, but when you're blending, it has to click in place. So after flipping it, then you can press this button to blend everything. And this right here, they have like I think this is like a spatula, spoon, or whatever. You can use this. I think this one here is if you need to defreeze some of the food. Yeah, so this one you can use to reheat the food. If you have food that maybe you have in the fridge or the freezer, this is for reheating or stuff like that. So if it's too hot, you can pick it up like so from the heater. You place that in like this, okay, and after it has been reheated, you can take it out safely using this spoon like stuff like that, so you don't burn yourself. And this is a two-way socket. Do you call it a two-way socket? Yeah, that's that. Alright, so guys, I'm going to clean everything up right now, and then I'm going to prepare some food for my baby. I'm back with everything cleaned and peeled. So I'm just going to chop this into small pieces. There's a light that goes on here to steam. Let me zoom in. Alright, you can see that this steaming light is on. So I've set my timer to 20 minutes. So I think it's going to make a sound when it's done. Guys, this is my first time using it, so yeah. So see you guys in 20 minutes. So guys, the food is done. You can see the light is off over here. So I'm just going to take this out. So just raise it and turn. Be careful, it's very hot over here, so you better hold these white surfaces. Alright, so I need to put this and turn to make sure it's in there. Okay, so I've turned it and now it's time to blend. I'm not sure whether I want to make it very like a puree or like, I don't know. I think I'll leave it. I mean, you're just supposed to blend until you get the consistency that is comfortable for your baby. And because we're actually starting out just now, I'm going to make it a bit more soft, just not too soft, because like I said, he's already taking vegetables, steamed vegetables, and chewing on them. So So I'm going to leave it at that. Now here we are, our food is set and ready. So I'm going to pour it in these containers that I got. These are containers from, I bought this from DM. These are called Nip. They are, these ones you can heat, you can wash in the dishwasher, microwave, and you can freeze with them. Okay, so I think they are safe. My baby has some food, and of course he's not eating much at the moment, so even this is a lot. So tomorrow morning I'm going to prepare some fruits with this, also steam and blend. And this is really, I think this is awesome, guys. I think this is going to make my work very easy. I like it. I do like it. Like at first, assembling it and finding out how to use it, you have to read the user manual properly, like really take your time to read it. But after you've done that, you find that this is actually an awesome investment. Yeah, so I totally do like that. I'm gonna leave this there to cool, and then I'm going to close them and put them in the fridge. And once they've cooled, I'm going to put maybe 1 or 2 in the fridge and the rest in the freezer. So I'm gonna get another container. Okay, so I need to take the blade out first. Okay. Good to know. So I'm going to clean this and prepare the rest of this food, so that I have a bit more food and so that I don't waste these ones as well. It tastes really good. Oh my god, I can't wait to see him enjoy it. So good. And I know it's healthy, so that's a plus. So guys, that's it for this video. I hope it was helpful, and I hope maybe if you were planning to buy it, I hope you made a decision from this video. It is not sponsored, it's just something that I purchased and I thought it would really help me with preparing foods for my baby. And thank you so much guys for watching, and I'm going to catch you guys on my next video. Bye.